Hi, I'm Jane. I love to garden. I got a chip drop. It's huge, and I'm working on some winter sowing. So come along, let's have a fun day. Today I'm looking for anything that can handle the shade. I'm going to work on my shade one. This is Black Barlow Columbine. I'll take you. And then I saw a white bleeding heart. Let's see what else we've got here. White Veronica. Let me look through all this. Sweet William, coneflower. Calendula, pink cone, yarrow. Okay, I'll be right back when I figure out what I need. So the kids are working on a pop stand at the corner, and I get to work on the median strip and this corner bed over here. It's going to be beautiful. As you can see, we've got lots of weeds to work on. Lots of open spots that I've already planted, like this. This was something I winter sown already, and that was winter sowed last year. See how pretty? Here's a clump of winter sown last year. So we got a lot to work with here. Hi, beautiful girl.
I just came from school. I just really got home from school, and
don't eat my plants, devil.
At school, guess what? They face paint me to look like a husky. People are calling me like a cat or a wolf. I mean, not a wolf. Yeah, a wolf. Yeah.
Howl.
Somebody
Now you look like a husky.
Somebody.
Oh, you scared the rabbit.
Somebody thought I was a wolf, and so I asked Clara why I was like looking in the mirror. And I'm like, so what do you think I look like? And she just said, you look like a cow cat. And I'm like, wait, what? I'm supposed to be a husky. And so, guys, comment down below what you think I look like. Bye.
Off to her friend's house.
Just have fun with it.
Bye, baby girl.
Are you filming me?
Yeah, you're just so cute. I followed you.
So, just have fun with it. I'm saying that so then you could, like, do the, what's it called? Gardening channel.
Yeah. We're at the end of school, huh? All the fun days.
2 more days until the end of school. Woo!
Yay! Hey, Devil, what are you doing? Found a stick? Should we go see what the chickens are destroying? Hopefully my yard. We gotta fix their fence again. Hey guys, you're in the wrong spot. Go back. Go back. I don't want you destroying over here. Go, 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 princess. I know. I guess you could eat all the Japanese beetles. Go. 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 Don't eat all the violets. See, our stupid fence broke. Gotta fix that. Butter and cream blanket flour. Done on 1/9. Black-eyed Susans and asters. Mix rutabaga. Looks pretty good. Tall red plains coreopsis. Lance leaf coreopsis done on 1/9. The tree in the backyard likes to leave all these tree seeds in there. Lance leaf coreopsis. This bunch is going to go in here. You can eat the bugs, but don't eat the flowers. Rocky, you are so pretty. I'm going to pet you. I love how she has green. She's so pretty. Go eat the bugs. Go eat the bugs. I know. Go eat the bugs. Hey, pretty girl. Go eat the bugs. Yep. Eat all the bugs. Butter and cream blanket flour. These need to go in the front, over by the rocks. These are mostly penstemons and yarrows because I live in a desert.